Hello world, I welcome you to this awesome video presentation where I'll be showing you around. I'll be showing you how you can make a lot of bucks by just uploading videos or articles on this secret website. Just few number of people knows about this website, and I'm here to reveal it to you, to walk you around how you can make some bucks from it. All right, give me just 5 minutes of your time. I won't take much of your time because I'm also a business person. Just 5 minutes of your time to walk you around how I'm making at least $20 a day from this website, just spending maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes of my time uploading videos or articles. Okay, so let's go. This is my account. This is my second account. The first account I opened, I left it because I discovered something new about the website, something new about their algorithm. So I have to uh, put in that thing on this very account. So as you can see, I already have 210 followers. I have 534 impressions. Impression means the number of people that my uh, articles or videos has been shown to. From the 534 impressions, I have 309,000 clicks. Wow. And I have earned so far $141 just in 7 days. Yeah, I mean 7 days. And I'm going to be showing you that right now. All right. Permit me, I have covered some areas of this video. Sorry about that. This, I just have to make this website to be secret. All right, but I'm going to reveal it to you later soon. So go ahead and go with me right now. Now this is where we upload the videos. Just click on upload and the video come up, and I upload the video like that. So I intentionally opened all these tabs down because of my bad network here. So but I just have to record this video. All right, so from there I will be showing you some of the videos I do upload. You can see guess the name of this awesome movie. People who want to know what type of movie it is. It's just a 4 minute 32 seconds video, and when they click, I make money. All right, look at this real mermaid caught on camera. Now these videos are still pending because I just uploaded them not quite long. As you can see, I just uploaded them. All right, so these are some of the video that have been published. All right, gunshot prank. These are some of the reactions about mannequin. You can see this is one of the article I uploaded. Melania Trump's plan for incredibly tacky Christmas selfie. All right, so these are some of the things that I've uploaded. Magic doll prank. I have a lot of them. A lot of them. I can go on and show you. All right. So just not to waste your time, let me switch to the next tab. You can see this is how the earnings are coming in. You can see the hilarious gunshot prank. I have got 342 impressions from it. I just uploaded it not quite long, and I've gotten 194 clicks. People that want to watch it. Okay, this is the hilarious reaction to mannequin. You can see this is the 5 angels caught on camera. I already have 530, sorry, 300, 3,161 impression, and I already have 1,245 clicks from that one. All right, you can see these are free traffic. You are not paying anything for these people to publicize your articles or to publicize your videos. All right, this is a very good alternative to YouTube. All right, now in this next tab, I'll be showing you my earnings, the earnings I've made from this awesome business. All right, so as you can see, I've been making an average of at least $20 per day from this awesome website. All right, now this is the earning I made yesterday. This is the earnings of yesterday. My total earnings is around $141. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? As you can see, this is this is my first day on this with this account. I started on the 23rd of December 2017. All right, this is the 7 days record. Let me click on 14 days so that you will see that this account is just 7 days. Okay, if you look at all these places, you will see that there are no activities there. There are no earnings on these places. Okay, so I started this very account on the 23rd, and I've been earning at least $20. This was the day that my earnings came down because I did not do much activity. Just I didn't think I uploaded any video that very day. I didn't upload any video, I didn't upload any article, I didn't do anything, and I earned 15 good dollars. All right. So this is how I've been doing it, and I've been earning the dollars. I've been earning the money, and I would like to also show you how I do the same. On my next tab, I'll be showing you. Okay, these are the messages I get on each of the video I upload. You see some likes, you see comments. You can see good job. Your post earned $21.31 yesterday. Work harder today for more rewards. Go and check my earnings, blah blah blah. So as you can see, so I've been earning this. You can see comments. Tarion Johnson McNeil commented, "What the fuck? That's spooky." So that has been the game. You can see, look at this place. Your post, she pranked his boyfriend. The result is something else. That was my post. That was one of the video I uploaded. Has been removed for containing nudity and sexual content. Sorry about that. So this site doesn't accept anything that is nude. Anything that is nude, they don't accept it, or any graphic video, they don't accept it. All right. So this is one of this next tab is showing you one of my trending video. I said this has been rated the best audition in the world, a must see, and people have been viewing this very video all around. They be sharing it. It's very. So I'll be sharing with you all this thing. If you are interested in this, in knowing this very thing, I'll be sharing it with you in my video calls that I'll be doing. All right, I've prepared a video course, a full video course for this. So you can just visit the website you are seeing on your screen right now to have your own full course. All right, to download your own full course, just visit that website. All right, so if I continue like this, doing this $20 per day, for crying out loud, $20 times 30, just times 30 days, that's equals $600. So $600, and I'm just 7 days old on this website. Now, one thing about this website, one thing my mentor told me about this website is that as you proceed on this website, as you proceed, you spend a month, 2 months, your earnings will be increasing. All right, per click, your earnings will be increasing. So permit me not to take much of your time. Key into this business this year, and you'll be glad you did. Once again, I say thank you very much for taking out your time, your 9-minute time to watch this video. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye for now.